Hi everybody, today let's go to cook a healthy pancakes. We are going to talk about the ingredients. So the ingredients are a carton of milk, olive oil, 3 eggs, 1 bag of oatmeal, 1 banana and vanilla essence. So firstly, break 3 eggs inside a bowl and pour 2 tea cups of milk. Next, poke 2 little spoons of vanilla essence and 4 cups of 4 tea cups of oat. This is the oat. And shake the mix until mixture turns rough. Turns rough like this. So to continue, turn on the fry pan until hot for 1 minute in high fire. This is my pancake. So big. This is what I want until it looks golden brown. So at the end, add pieces of banana for decoration. And add the yam, without sugar. And that's all. This is my healthy pancake.